Hey guys, welcome back to our channel on Forever Hum.
So today is another hiking day into the woods.
And we are going on a relatively steep hike, kind of like the Dog Mountain hike we've done before. So this is called the Saddle Mountain hike, which we always wanted to do, but due to the pandemic we couldn't go.
Excited for it. On our way to the trailhead, we were welcomed by some fog, right?
It's all foggy here, right? It was kind of sunny in Hillsborough when we left, but it's not here. There's lines of car parked here, which means there's going to be tons of traffic on this trail, which leads me to say that it is a highly trafficked trail because one of the popular ones near Portland.
Yeah, we are glad we found a parking spot. But I'm just hopeful I don't have to use too much of my mask.
We'll see. Let's not wait any longer and just get started with it, because I see population going in and we don't want to be left behind. And here's the trailhead, Saddle Mountain Trail. The challenges of the 2-mile summit trail include a continuous elevation gain, so better be prepared.
I am.
Oh, she is preparing herself now. Alright. There's a viewpoint coming. Alright. Here it is. Hamburg Mountain Viewpoint. 0.2 miles this way. Not going there. So one of the good things about this hike is that on a bright sunny day you could actually see the ocean from the top of the mountain. And one of the bad parts is that
It is foggy most of the time above the ocean.
no, but even worse than that is that you'll have to have a steep climb, just like the last leg of Dog Mountain. That is the worst part, right?
Guys, have you checked out our Dog Mountain hike? It is our toughest hike till date. The steepest one. You should check that out if you haven't already.
Yes, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
At forever_hum.
So I do see patches of sun here and there coming through the trees, so it's a good sign. Not entirely foggy. Probably the foggy part was left behind, and now we are actually walking straight into the sunny region, so that's good. Look at that, the cloud hovering over the mountains, and it's sunny over there. So beautiful. And we need to keep moving because there's population coming behind. Maybe we can get a closer look of this in the midst of the cloud that we see when these trees are not here. And that's a sight to see. That is what I was referring to, where you got clear view from here and here, and there's a bunch of cloud in that region. What a sight. I think I'm going to get a much clearer view from here. Alright. Nice and pristine. Can you see our destination? Right there. That is it. Let's do this. Lakshya Gana Sune. If you haven't heard the Lakshya songs, right now is the moment. Now that you know what your Lakshya is, let's sing that song and head along.
With fun.
With Forever Hum. For anyone who is near Hillsborough area, do ping us a note if you want to do like a group hike or something.
If you will be able to cope up with my pace of hiking, do ping us.
And if you're willing to hike, obviously.
Yeah.
And we can plan something in the future. It'll be fun. There's a lot of noise. People are like blah 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 blah. So there's a hint of tiny colorful wildflowers here on these mountains. Not a whole lot, but just enough for you to recognize the colors. We're at one of the viewpoints. Oh, so good. Wow, I love the clouds. I never thought I would say this, but this is really beautiful. And my guess is that we won't be able to see the ocean today if it is all covered in clouds.
I decided to not continue hiking to the top because I'm not feeling great. Luckily I found a bench, but the issue is that there are lots of tiny insects or bugs which are biting me. Guys, can you see these flies? They are everywhere.
Alright, here it begins. So guys, the last I would say 0.3-0.4 mile is the steepest part of this trail, and I can see some wildflowers bloom here, right? Red, yellow, looking beautiful, although a lot of them would have been much nicer, but even still. And that is Buena Vista Point.
Okay guys, so I received a call from Deepak. Yes, you have network here, which is surprising. So he said that there is a vista point which is not far from this location. The view from there is really nice, so I should check that out. I think that was the vista point he was referring to. Yeah, the view from here is pretty good. I'm glad the internet was working. Okay guys, so I'm here at the vista point. This is definitely so much better, and they're also pretty wildflowers. In case you get tired and you don't want to do the last stretch, enjoy the views from this vista point because I think they are super pretty. I actually don't regret going to the top.
So guys, that is the destination. So here's the downward hike. Once you reach the plateau, you will have your ultimate climb, which is what I said was the steepest part of this hike. But from here it looks beautiful. And here begins the climb. I wonder what those two mountains are. I believe that is north side, so it should be St. Helens or Rainier, but I may be wrong. Man, tired. We're almost there. Final 100 feet. Alright, this is it. Alright guys, time to turn back.
I think I can see Deepak. He is right here. Oh. How are the views from the top?
Pretty good.
How?
Almost the same as this. So guys, one thing I want to point out is that you see a lot of this mesh on the ground, on the rocks. This is for you to get a good grip, because there's a lot of loose gravel on this trail, especially the last 500 feet. So yeah, it's kind of important on this trail, and that's why they have it in place almost everywhere. But yeah, that is something that I found unique on this particular trail. I haven't seen this sort of construction in any other trail. And here you see a lot of flowers, right?
Yeah.
Oh man, finally at least some bit of flower is better than nothing, right? We were actually worried from the beginning that will we be able to catch the wildflower season or the spring season. So it is the bloom time. It's not at its complete 100% bloom, but it's almost there, and I'm glad we caught it at this stage. And I like the color here, right? Red and yellow.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful. So we did notice one thing on this trail, especially during spring or summer season, is that you get a lot of mosquitoes or insects. So especially if you go on the top of the Saddle Mountain, I found a lot of insects or mosquitoes up there. Put on like an insect spray or something so that you don't get bitten by one of them. And another thing that I noticed is that a lot of people on this trail are not wearing masks. It's just that the government has removed the mask mandate. That's the reason why you don't see a lot of people wearing masks on this trail.
CDC has given new guidelines for fully vaccinated people that they don't need to wear mask outdoors,
Yep.
even indoors.
Approaching, or almost approaching the end. If you remember this point, while coming up we saw clouds over here, but there are no clouds anymore, right?
Yeah.
So it makes me think, like, if I had come here a little later, like probably around 12 o'clock, if you had started the hike, we probably could have seen the sea, the ocean, I mean. Almost there, guys. Approaching the final leg. So we made it almost in 3 hours, a little more than 3 hours. So 5.3 miles on almost 2,000 feet of elevation gain. A little more than what AllTrail says.
We are done.
Yay! Good job. Excellent hike.
Okay guys, so the hike is over.
Yep.
It's time to head back.
Grab some lunch on the way. Overall, I think my recommendation is that you should try out this hike. It's a beautiful hike, not too strenuous as compared to Kings Mountain or Dogs Mountain. So it's doable, very much doable. And you should definitely check it out this season. Like, I would recommend doing during May or at least June, because we did see some wildflowers bloom. So I think they are not at the 100%, but I'm sure they will some point soon.
And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe to Forever Hum. Give a thumbs up to this video and comment below the video and let us know what other hikes we should try in this summer season.
And like I said before, if you're in and around Hillsborough or Portland area, ping us or let us know in the comment section below so that we can arrange some kind of a hike together and be part of Forever Hum.
Yeah.
Alright, see you guys in the next video.
Lebanese cuisine.
Yes, and this is veggie shish kebab.
Yeah, veggies with some tahini on top and basmati rice.
And she's got pizza. Wow, that pizza looks so good.